Hello my lovely truck driver. Today I'm going to show you a very important video and you can learn a lot. Do you see this one? This called in German Ruch Matte. This is one of the best way to secure your transport. But if you don't use it in the right way or in a perfect way, then it's like a toilet paper. I will show you how to use this a proper way. First of all, or first step, this one should be clean, not dirty. You have to have it clean and clean again. So, second step, you have to have the bottom of this thing clean. If you don't have it clean, so it's like a toilet paper. I will show you. So first of all, we are using it as a anti-Ruch Matte. If I translate it to English, anti-slide carpet oder so. So you have to clean under this. So I will show you. When this clean is so you can't move it. So like this, it's like you can move it like this. But if you have under this good material or tools like sand, something like this is sand, or in auf Deutsch Sand. You see, if you have it, they are like small balls. If you have this one, now it's like a toilet paper. Look at this. It moves. It doesn't take anything. But in Germany, if police catch you like this, it means that's nothing for police officers. And you will be a very, very bad situation. In some cases, they will take your driving license and you have to stay at home. So please clean up your trailer and make sure that you can use this one as an anti-Ruch Matte, not like a toilet paper. Let's test again. I make here clean and here I cannot move it. See? It's very hard. Look on my second foot. It's very hard to move it. If I put here, I'm not sure if it comes or not. So this is the anti-Ruch Matte. So, like this. See my other foot? So, get me. Move it. It doesn't move. See? Yeah. Doesn't move. But here, there's, yeah. Now I have sand here. If I do it like this, it moves. See? It means it's nothing. It moves like this. But when I clean here, I will clean up. Cleaning. So this one also must be clean. See? Look at this. It doesn't move. It doesn't move. Once again. It doesn't move. But I bring a little bit sand here. Look at this. Now you can move it. Interesting, huh? Yeah. Move it. So please support my channel, subscribe my channel, take care of yourself, make sure that your transport is 100% secure. If you, especially when you transfer dangerous good. In German they say Gefahrgut. So if police catch you like this and you are transporting dangerous good, you have no chance. In some cases they say, when you are lucky, please load down all your transport, make clean your trailer, and use this one not as a toilet paper like anti-Ruch Matte. Then when you cleaned, then you can load up and you can drive. Otherwise you are not allowed to drive. When you are lucky, in bad cases, they take away transport. Your vehicle will be stay there. I mean your truck will be stay there. Other driver maybe come and clean it up and load it up, and I don't know, but it's not a good case. So please subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Come to home safe and alive. Thanks a lot.